You just saw the brand new Ford Ranger drive into the garage. It is a 2002 Ford Ranger, kind of in rough, dirty shape. A good little fixer-upper. Some wear on the driver's seat. Dirty interior. It's got that rubberized plastic instead of the carpet. Little damage here on the center console where that radio is. But like a Ford Ranger, it is dependable. So we're going to fix it up. There's some trim there missing. The rear tailgate handle is broken. It doesn't open the tailgate. Some rust, surface rust on those steel wheels. I'm going to try and figure out how to fix that up, but all in all, it's your good old basic Ford Ranger. I'm going to do some maintenance to it. Going to do some ball joints. You can see this sagging front bumper. I'm just calling out all the negatives I see just because it's going to be a fun fixer-upper project and going to show the progress of how we do it. So a nice little cleanup with the headlights here. I did lose a lot of my footage of cleaning up the interior, but I'll show you a little before and after of the headlights, and then you get to see the back of my head cleaning the interior. Wiped down the doors, shampooed the carpets. The next day I went to go start it, just basically clicking. So first thing I wanted to do was inspect the battery connections. Going to take off the battery connection. It basically was totally broken. I think I zoom in a little bit on it, but ultimately was breaking from the connection point. Battery's good, brand new battery from the previous owner. So next step was go to a local parts store and get a new connection. You can see rust there. I think I zoom in again, but quick little change, pulling the battery out. Oh, just came right off. Yeah, a quick little battery terminal change, and you'll see it starts right up. I mean, without a ground, that's critical to your car starting. You need a good ground, good battery, and then you start troubleshooting from there. Perfect. That's a battery terminal change on the Ford Ranger. Next episode, we're going to do the ball joints. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.